Hey class, welcome to another episode of Bran Academy. As always, my name is Bran. I'm Mr. Wynn's twin brother. And today, we'll be talking about chapter 4-1, classifying triangles. We're on the chapter of the most powerful shape in the world, and that is triangles, okay? So I'm going to jump straight to it. You guys ever thought about how to define a triangle? Well, just in case you're on a hot date, here's the official definition. Triangle is the figure formed, so the figure is a shape formed by three segments, okay? Three segments joining, so they connect to joining three. Don't just say 3 points because it could be a line, you know? Like, we don't want that. It's not just 3 points, it's three non-collinear points. Okay, remember non-collinear means they're not on the same line. So that's the official definition, okay? So impress your significant other on the next date. The word vertex means each of the 3 points of the triangle. Okay. Plural would be vertices, right? Vertices. Honestly, though, it's just a fancy word for corner, right? It's literally the corner of your triangle, right? Corner. Okay, vertex is just the corner, okay? Sides. Sides are really just the segments. Let's do a different color. The segments of the triangle, okay? Segments of the triangle. Over here, we just have some notation, just a shorthand. Remember, math is all about shortcuts. Okay, so for triangle ABC, you can just do a triangle ABC, just like that. Vertices of triangle ABC, well, those are just the points, okay, points. A, B, C, right, A, B, C. The sides, they're segments, so AB, BC, and CA. And the angles of triangle ABC, you can just call them by the one letter because there's no other angles we need to share that with. So it's just angle A, angle B, angle C. This should be reviewed, so I'm going to speed through this. Acute, okay, remember it's small, it's an acute triangle. So all angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse, it's kind of like obese, you know, so it's like the fatter one, right? It opens up pretty big. It has one angle that's greater than 90. A right triangle is the right one, you know, it's equals to 90, okay? And equiangular, so if it's equiangular, all angles are congruent. Also, if it's equiangular, that also means it's equilateral. Fun fact, okay, they go hand in hand. Equilateral triangle. Okay, they go hand in hand. All right. You know, you guys want to do this real quick? I think you guys can do it. Okay, just classify the names of the triangles real quick, and after that, get these scalene and stuff. Oh, sorry, to try to define them. Okay, so try this out real quick. Boom, you see 9 degrees, right triangle. If I'm going too fast, just pause it and check your answers. This is the obese one, just kidding, the obtuse one. Obtuse triangle. This is acute, right? It's acute, all angles are less than 90. It's also an equal angular triangle, angular. And technically it's also equilateral, okay? And this one is just an acute triangle. Boom. Okay, scalene. So just to emphasize, that's how you classify triangles with the angles, okay? With the angles. Now we're going to classify it by the sides. So for scalene, that means there are no congruent sides. For isosceles, there are at least two. At least two congruent sides. And then equilateral, all sides are congruent. Okay. So I think a lot of people in the past, people thought isosceles means there's two congruent sides, like there's exactly two, but it's just at least two. So technically speaking, if you want to look at this statement here, equilateral triangles can also be considered isosceles. Yeah, it's just a fun fact. That's how it is. All right, flip over to the back. We're just gonna do like 2 examples. All right, let's do. Well, these we can classify real quick. 1 and 2. Number 1. Remember these tick marks? Okay, this tick marks means that those 2 sides are congruent, which means this has to be at least an isosceles triangle if we're classifying it. That's a triangle, by the way. Number 2, same thing here, 32x, also isosceles. Boom. Number 3, it can be isosceles or equilateral. Okay, because all 3 sides are congruent. Again, isosceles just means at least 2 sides are congruent. All right, let's play some games here. Number 4. Okay, find x and the length of each side of. Find x and the length of each side if triangle RST is equilateral. Okay, equilateral, all sides are congruent. Okay, not too bad. You literally just have to just pick any 2. They have to be congruent. So let's go 5x minus 4 equals 3x. 2x minus 4 equals 0. Yeah. Add the 4 to both sides. Then divide by 2x equals 2. So you find x. Remember, you're not done yet. You need to find the length. And you plug it back in. Boom, boom, boom. What do you get? Do a little mental math here. 6, 6, 6. Whoa, devil's number. Okay, let's just move on. A little weird. Oh, it's kind of like the devil's face right there. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, number 5. Same idea, really, guys. It's isosceles. AB. Yeah, we can just do this real quick. So this one is it's the same steps, but this one you could have set any 2 equal to each other, right? Because they're all equal. You can pick any 2. For this one, you had to choose these 2. Oh, does x equals 2 again? Oh, it seems like it. Yeah, y equals 2. Wow. Y equals 2. Let's see if we get the double as numbers. Plug it in. Oh, this is 6. Oh, these are 8 though. Okay. Boom. Not too bad, right? Yay. Good job. 4-1 is done. We're going to do 4-2 next. Okay, so I'm going to pause it here. Look at 4-2.